My dear viewers, my greetings and also my wishes to all of you watching my channel. That is Jacinta's Spoken English channel with videos and shorts helping each and every one of us to make our spoken English an excellent one. So when we are talking, we have got questions and answers. So all of us know the question words what, when, where, who, which, even whom is there. Apart from that, we have got some verbal questions. These are all question words and we form questions. Where are you going? The answer may be about a place. What are you doing? I'm looking at the TV or I'm watching TV. It is what gives us some matter. Then when will you come here? Maybe the time will be the answer. I may be back here on Monday. So who is your friend? Mala is my close friend. So it is about a person. Whom we know, who and whom both have got little difference. Both are about the person. Who the answer may be a subject like who is your brother? My brother is an artist. So who is about the subject? Answer will be about the subject. Whom is about the object? The answer may be about something object, not it's a living thing maybe. Whom did you meet yesterday? I met my friend yesterday. Here in this sentence, I is subject, met this verb, and my friend is the object there. So in that way, subject and verb and object are there. When we talk, we ask such questions with all these words. Which is your book? Maybe a pile of books are there. Now, many books are arranged, and the teacher or even people at home, the father or mother may ask, which is your record book? Which is your pen? Which is your uniform? Which is your towel? So here there is an object, which is. Then we can ask, what is your plan for next week? Next week I may be going to Delhi. I have the plan of flying to Delhi, then maybe to Kashmir also. So, what is your plan about the matter? Then, where are you going? It is about the place. No, we say, I'm going to Delhi, I'm going to Mumbai, maybe I'm going abroad. My brother is in UK, so I like to go there. I may be going to UK. So, where are you going? Means it's about the place. So these are usually the common questions which we ask at home. When will you be back? When somebody goes out of the house, maybe a son, when he goes out, we may ask the question, when will you be back? This is about the time. I will be back before supper. Or sometimes the answer may be, I'll be coming back only after supper because I'm having a get together with my friends. I'll be having dinner with them. So I may not be coming back for the dinner. I will be coming home only after the dinner. Maybe after my supper or dinner with my friends, I'll be back. So when is that? In that way, with when, what, where, which, who, whom and all, we can make a number of questions when we are in the midst of friends, relatives, or maybe in the work area. We may ask, where is our GM? The answer may be he has gone abroad. He will be back only after a week. So where is the assistant here moving about? I want to take a file from that room, from this to the stock room maybe. Then we will be looking for the assistant who goes up and down. Peon may be going up and down. Where is he? I must get my file. Call him, we may ask, where is he? So we want to know. So the answer may be, he has gone out for purchasing something, maybe at the office, some office works, accessories, or anything connected with the office work. He would have gone for purchasing during the working hours. So we ask such questions to get the answers, to know about the matter, to know about the place, to know about the timings, to know about the work done. For all these, we need all these questions starting with WH, and they are called WH questions. So, dear friends, pay attention to all these. Little knowledge of grammar is quite enough to make our conversation, our day to day dialogue, a proper one, a perfect one, and we can enjoy when we are in the midst of people who are interested in having an excellent spoken English. Bye for today.